Welcome back, welcome back. So we are together in writing today, and we put the screen. I don't know why I always have a problem. In today's lesson, or yesterday's lesson, was it yesterday or Friday? Okay, so we talked about strong verbs and adjectives to help us make clear pictures of what we are writing about for our readers. So in today's lesson, we're going to be talking about a strategy that's called showing, not telling. So I want you to read and think of your image, of the mental image you get when you read this sentence, okay? So at breakfast, my brother Greg pretended not to know I was mad at him. Hmm, what pictures do you see, or how do you picture this going on? I picture a table with two siblings and Greg being like, or eating his breakfast like she's not there. Um, so now I want you to look at the next one. I want you to read along this passage and think about if it describes the pretending action that we just said more in detail and it made you a better picture in your mind. Okay? If it was much better what was going on than the sentence that we read before. Ready? I glare over the cereal box at my brother Greg. And when he asked me to pass the meal, I ignore him. He jumped up and grabbed it, whistling the whole time. Then, with great enthusiasm, he started quizzing my dad about a birdhouse he was building. Greg couldn't care less about that carpentry projects. I kept glaring. What do you think? I think so too. I think this time around, I can literally see what's going on. I can see his expression about being mad on his brother, and I can see the expression of Greg being all like, coolie, 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 I'm here better than you. I can see it all. So see, it's very important to be forming a picture by showing, not telling. So you clearly see on this example how the person show you how through actions how they were feeling. Okay, see you in next video.